Hi everyone! Today let's create a macrame angel for your Christmas tree together. With this guide, you'll be able to craft this lovely handmade gift, even if you're a beginner. Prepare the following materials: cotton cord, one wooden ring, one wooden bead, a shiny cord, scissors, a needle, a comb, and iron. Cut 6 identical cords 30 centimeters, about 12 inches each. For speed and convenience, I use a pre-prepared piece of cardboard. One side of the cardboard should be about 15 centimeters, 6 inches long, and the other side about 20 centimeters, 8 inches. Cut 12 identical cords each about 40 centimeters, 15.75 inches in length. Cut one more cord about 1 meter, 39 inches in length. Split it into 4 pieces using just one part of this cord. Fold this cord in half and tie a knot as shown in the video. Once again. Thread the cord through a needle with a wide eye and connect the ring to the wooden bead. Sometimes it can be a little tricky, so right now I'll show you how to do it very easily using wire. Simply fold the wire in half, thread the cord through it, and twist it several times. Then thread the wire through the hole. Position 2 cords under the wooden ring. Begin with the right cord, lay it over the ring, and thread it through the loop. Repeat this action. Repeat the same process with the left cord, lay it over the ring, and thread it through the loop. Repeat this action. Tie a standard double knot. I separate 30 centimeters cords into strands to make them easier to brush. Also, this is the way to give them a fluffier appearance. Split the cords into 2 halves and brush them. Thread each half through the ring. You'll need 40 centimeters, 16 inches of shiny thread. Tighten the angel's dress with the shiny cord as shown in the video. Thread the needle under the dress sash, pull the ends through, and cut the excess. Now we will make the angel's wings. The cords should be 40 centimeters, 16 inches each. Add 6 cords to each side as shown in the tutorial. I'll show you how to tie a double half hitch knot. We are going from right to left. The last cord is going to be our main cord. The second cord, as well as all the next cords, serves as your working cord. Take your working cord and position it over the main cord. Loop the working cord under the main cord. Pull it toward yourself to create a knot. Repeat these steps once more. Again, put over, loop under, pull it towards yourself. Repeat. We need to make another row. The main cord is the last one on the right and the others are the working cords. Cut a 25 centimeters, 10 inches cord. Now we will secure the Macrame Angel's wings to prevent them from coming undone. Hide these cords in the middle of the angel's wings using a needle. Separate the wing cords for easy brushing later on. Make the second wing following the instructions, just like the first one. Now it's time to shape our angel. Brush the angel thoroughly, iron it gently, and use scissors to give it the desired shape. It took me about 10 minutes to do this. Take 30 centimeters, 12 inches of shiny cord and secure it at the top. All done. Just take a look at these lovely angels. If you enjoyed making them, consider subscribing to my channel and giving me a thumbs up.